Okay, welcome to another episode of Around My House. This is going to be a retake on a previous episode where we're going to be a little bit more efficient and a little faster. If you recall, when I was cutting the Clusia, you can only get through so much before your tools need to be clean. And if you saw in my other video, we had to use all these tools to get the blade clean and sharpened. So we're going to show you a faster way. We don't need any of this stuff anymore. Well, actually, we're going to need this again. I'll show you a faster way to clean up your tool and be able to get back out there and cut down the Clusia. So stay tuned. Alright, so as you can see here, we have a bench grinder, and this is going to take care of the work that we were doing before with the drill and the steel brush and the WD-40 and the steel wool and all that other stuff. This is going to be loud, so I won't be able to talk during it, but hopefully the camera will pick up how fast we clean this with the wire brush attachment on this bench grinder. So here we go. Edge down, be careful here. Notice I'm always using this base to rest the tool on. We don't want it to get sucked in. This edge clean up the beveled part. We're not sharpening, we're just cleaning. And that is the cleaning part. So last time, we'll wait for this to wind down. So since last time, my wife was nice enough to pick up this, it's actually a machete sharpener, axe and machete sharpener. And you just, what I would do is I would clamp it into the vise, clamp the blade into the vise, and then run the tool across it. That seemed to be working for a while, but then over time, I don't know if the tool is wearing out or if the blade is getting too dull, but it started to create ripples in the blade. And I found that, just as before, the best way to sharpen it is with a file. So we're going to do that again real quick. I've already seen this, but we'll do it again anyway. And that is to run the blade, the file at an angle towards the direction of the blade. Let's see here. And this just seems to work much better than any blade sharpening tool. And it's very simple. It only takes about, I don't know, 10 or 12 passes on each side. I feel it's rougher over here, where we get most of the action. And then let's do the other side, other hand. This side actually is not rough at all, which is good. It's not giving me a lot of resistance. I'm not taking off a lot of material. And then lastly, the tip. This is always kind of the tricky part. The other side. Yeah, this side doesn't seem as torn up as that side. I'm not sure why. Notice I'm wearing thick gloves. Take my hands, and I can visibly see the new edge that we're putting on here. If I had enough light, I could show you. But we're getting a new edge, a nice clean shiny edge on here, and I can tell you that that is very sharp. So that's it. Just wanted to show you a shorter version of sharpening the machete. I've got all that Clusia to do again, so hope this video helped you. If you liked it, please hit like, subscribe, and if you have any comments or questions, please do so. I welcome them. Thank you for joining us on another episode of Around My House.